Most people think they're broke because they don't earn enough. But in 2025, that's not the real reason. The truth is, there's a hidden money trap that quietly keeps millions of people stuck. And today, I'm going to expose it. Money trap number 1. Lifestyle inflation. Every time income increases, lifestyle increases even faster. You get a raise, suddenly you upgrade your phone, your food, your clothes, your car. Instead of investing the difference, most people spend it instantly. In 2025, lifestyle inflation has become normal. People don't want to look broke, so they stay broke. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and invest. Money trap number 2. Living on instant gratification. We live in an age where everything is fast: food, entertainment, shopping, delivery, and people expect money to be the same. But building wealth is slow, and because it's slow, people quit early. They want fast income, fast investments, fast results, but real wealth comes from patience. Successful people delay gratification, that's their superpower. Money trap number 3. Only one source of income. Relying on a single income stream in 2025 is basically financial suicide. One layoff, one recession, one emergency, and everything collapses. Rich people build multiple income streams. Broke people depend on one. Even one small side hustle can change your entire financial future. Money trap number 4. Not knowing where your money goes. Most people don't track their expenses. They don't know how much they spend, where they spend, or why they spend. If you don't measure it, you can't control it. Wealthy people know exactly where every dollar is going, and that's how they multiply it. Money trap number 5. Copying others instead of understanding money. People see someone making money in crypto, or dropshipping, or Amazon, or YouTube, and they rush in blindly, not understanding the skill required, the risk involved, the time needed. Wealth isn't built by copying trends. Wealth is built by understanding money, understanding markets, understanding your strengths. Money trap number 6. Not investing early enough. Here's a harsh truth. Your future wealth depends more on time than income. The people who stay broke are the ones who keep waiting. I'll start investing next month, next year, when I earn more. Every year you delay kills your future wealth. Successful people invest early, even if it's small. The real reason most people stay broke isn't because of their job or their salary. It's because of their mindset and habits. The wealthy don't just earn more, they think differently. They spend differently. They invest differently. If you want to escape the money trap in 2026, start with this. Track your money, lower your lifestyle, build multiple income streams, and invest consistently. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to NextGen Finance for real, honest money education. Your financial freedom starts with the choices you make today.